The electrolytic resistance and conductance. Now we will see the electrolytic resistance and conductance. First, we know what is Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the current passing through the conductor is directly proportional to potential difference that is E or V, and inversely proportional to the resistance of the conductor. Okay, so Ohm's law says that what the current I passing through the conductor. Suppose this is a conductor. This is a conductor. So current I directly proportional to the potential difference of the conductor. That means suppose here potential PD equal to 1, here PD equal to 2, potential difference, energy difference. So आपको दियो ना जितने का difference थी वो. Suppose this is the potential 1, this is potential 2. So potential 1 minus 2. जितने का difference होगा, that is potential difference. So potential difference denoted by E. So current passing through this conductor is directly proportional to potential difference across the conductor. And another thing says that it is inversely proportional to the resistance of the conductor. That means suppose this is equation 1 and R inversely proportional to R is the resistance of the conductor. That means जदि potential difference अधिका हबो तो current अधिका pass हबो, resistance conductor अधिका हबो current flow टा कमी जीवो. That means the current I passing through the conductor is directly proportional to potential difference. Mean if the potential difference will be decreased, then passing of the current through the conductor will be decreases. It is inversely proportional to the resistance of the conductor. Means if resistance of the conductor will increases, this will be decreases because a fraction rachi. So suppose this is equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2 we have what? We have R proportional to E by R. This can be written as like this: R equal to E by R. This is the final equations of the Ohm's law. Here E equal to potential difference, R equal to resistance of the conductor. Similarly, resistance R equal to E by I. That implies R equal to E by I. So R is the resistance. So what is resistance? Resistance is denoted by, it is denoted by capital R. So resistance is the property of the conductor. So it can be defined as like that: resistance it is denoted by R. Resistance can be defined as like that: resistance R is the property of conductor which opposes the flow of current, flow of current through the conductor. So resistance denoted by R केमती एक्सप्रेस करा जाए, आर द्वारा एक्सप्रेस करा जाए. व्हाट इज रेजिस्टेंस? रेजिस्टेंस इज अ प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द कंडक्टर. तो कंडक्टर प्रॉपर्टी रेजिस्टेंस टा. फॉर एग्जांपल तुम साइकेल रे जाउछ आगे को तुम जो दिगरे जाउछ से दिगरु तुम जो दिग को जाउछ तो अपोजिट साइड रो दिगरु डायरेक्शन रो पवन बहुछ तो तुम मोमेंट कमे जीव. तो तुमर रेजिस्टेंस का संगे होची ना पवन संगे, विंड संगे. सपोज यू आर मूविंग फ्रॉम ईस्ट टू वेस्ट, ओके, एंड wind flowing from here east to west to east, west to east. So here wind acting as resistance, acting as resistance power for you, which opposes the movement of the person. सपोज गोटे पर्सन गोटे लोकटे ईस्ट टू वेस्ट को जाऊँगी विंड वेस्ट टू ईस्ट को बोची तो आर जीवाटा मोमेंटा कमिज कईटा विंडटा तक बाधक अपोज कर कौन अपोज कर तार मोमेंटा को सो विंड एक्टिंग इज रेजिस्टेंस पावर फॉर यू और फॉर द पर्सन्स व्हिच अपोजेस द मोमेंट ऑफ द पर्सन्स तो पर्सन मोमेंट कौन कर अपोज कर दौर से भाया आम देखिपर दैट मीन्स suppose this is a conductor current flowing I current flowing through the conductor. Suppose resistance of the conductor is R. These are opposes or prevent the flow of the conductor into the flow of the current into the conductor. So so that it is retained R inversely proportional to R. That means if the resistance of the conductor will increases, then flow of the current will decreases. Okay. Suppose I take a conductor like this. Suppose this is the length equal to L and this is the side A, this is the height A. Suppose this is square form, this is the cross section area, of the conductor. Then resistance of the conductor, is directly proportional to the length of the conductor. That means if the length of the conductor L will be increased, then the resistance of the conductor will be also increases. That is R proportional to L. R proportional to L. Similarly, resistance of the conductor inversely proportional to the cross section area of the cross-section area, we may simply call it area of the conductor. Mathematically, these things can be written as like this: R proportional to 1 by A. Why it is 1 by A? Because it is inversely proportional to the cross-sectional area of the conductor. This is equation number. Suppose this is equation number 3 and this is the equation number IV. From equation 3 and from equation, that means resistance of the conductor inversely proportional to 1 by A. यदि क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया बढ़ी तेज डिस्टेंस कौन हो कमिज एटा कमिगले डिस्टेंस बढ़ी जदि कंडक्टर एरियाटा बढ़ी जाऊँगी तो कौन हम ना तार क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया जदि बढ़ी जाऊँगी अधिका हो गला तेज डिस्टेंस कौन हो डिक्रीज कर। सो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 3 Ri and Iv, we have what we have are proportional to L by A. That implies R equal to rho L by A. Here rho equal to specific resistance. Rho equal to what? Specific resistance. So this is the equation number B. So we got the resistance equal to rho L by A. Rho L by A. So rho is what? Now this is the specific resistance. If L equal to 1 semi and A equal to 1 semi square, then R equal to rho. This is suppose 1 semi and this is equal to 1 semi square. Unit ta ko bhaba nahi, khali 1 1 bhaba, 1 1 bhabile R equal to 1. Unit ta hame pare kariya. We will discuss the unit later. Okay. Suppose value of length equal to 1 and cross sectional area equal to 1, then R equal to what? Now rho. That means the specific resistance, we can write this, the specific resistance of conductor is equals to the resistance of conductor when length of conductor is 1 semi and area of conductor and area of conductor equal to 1 semi square. That means resistance equal to rho for the 1 semi cube conductor. So 1 semi cube conductor jara volume the 1 semi cube ta pai the specific resistance equal to resistance of the conductor. Okay. So we got that R equal to rho L by A. So units of R and rho. Okay. So unit of resistance equal to ohm. So units of rho will be how much? So R equal to what? Rho L by A. That implies rho equal to RA by what? L. RA by L. So R equal, its unit is ohm. A is semi square, L is semi. That means unit of Rho equal to how much? Ohm into semi square by semi. This is equal to ohm semi or ohm semi. एमती आम लिखि पारिबा. This is the unit of the what? This is the unit of the what? Specific resistance. This is called the specific resistance.